Hello. Launching Mero eID, the all-new identity for Nepal. We from Nepal Mitra are really excited to have you here. We all need to share information. Be it as visiting card, resume shared by students, or elderly people information if they are stuck in a situation. Mero eID is a first-ever offering in Nepal helping you build digital extension for all information. For example, business professionals can get their digital visiting cards allowing anyone to simply scan or share their information to specific people using mobile or many social media hooks. What gets more interesting is, your information can be extended far beyond what world did so far. Like you can share a personal note with a visiting card, update some information on your resume real time to share latest experiences, and more. So join our digital Nepal mission by contacting us at contact@meroeid.com.